here for another Let's Play Phoenix Wright, Ace Attorney. Here with me is Nightshade. Nightshade?
I got a feeling we've been sleeping for a long time.
Yeah, so for those who don't know, this is like, we've taken a really big break.
Alright, for those who have been following this one by one, month has passed since the last episode.
Yeah, it's been a while. I went back to working 2 jobs, and that literally killed all my time. So this is kind of like one of the few times we actually get to record again. But we need to finish this. We need to get this done. We're doing it.
So I think it's safe to say that previously on Phoenix Wright, Ace Attorney.
Oh my god, no.
We got tased.
I'm gonna just like speed it up. It's gonna be all shit. That's all you're gonna get.
Alright,
don't like it? Too bad. Let's do it. From chapter
And now for the stunning conclusion.
Woohoo!
December 28th, 9:51 a.m. District Court, Defendant Lobby number 2.
Number 2. Oh, snap. Music. Oh my god. That was louder than I thought it was gonna be.
Judgment Day.
Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. This is it. Judgment Day. Today, things are going to get settled at last. A lot of things. But, what's the big idea? Sorry, Nick. I only touched your shoulder. Sounded like he got electrocuted.
Well, they did. They got tased.
He got tased. Oh boy.
They both got tased.
Oh, 1 second. Something happened.
Uh-oh.
No.
Oh my god.
Quick editing. I think it's my... How do I sound now? I know I'm gonna be lowered, but I'll...
Yeah, you're slightly lower, but I can raise you on my side.
Yeah, raise me on the side.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Okay, we're back. I only touched your shoulder. I guess the shock hasn't worn off from my run with the stun gun yesterday. Oh, that's right, we got stunned.
It was a shocking experience.
Oh, stunning.
We're back, guys. We're back.
I'm here all week, guys. Anyhow,
Are you really?
Yep. Anyhow, today's the last day of the trial. Good luck, Nick. Yeah. Thanks, Maya. Oh.
Hatchapoo.
Edgeworth is looking glum as always. I hope Von Karma doesn't push him too hard. But if you ask me...
Wow. Everything's coming back now.
I love this game. Whoa! What are you doing? Sorry! I'm sorry! I just thought I'd cheer you up with a pat on the back. Maya, maybe you should go outside and discharge. Right. Good idea. Try not to electrocute anyone on your way out. Oh!
Pal!
Poor Gumshoe.
What's gotten into that girl?
She's electrified.
Oh.
Detective Gumshoe.
Morning, Mr. Hedgeworth.
Good morning. How did it go, Detective?
Have no fear. As promised, after I've captured our runaway caretaker.
Away!
I just brought him in. Took all night, pal. I have yet to sleep.
Thanks, Detective Gumshoe. You must be tired.
Actually, after that shock I got on the way in, I feel pretty good.
Yogi says he's forgotten his own name. But that has to be a lie. Why would he want revenge on Edgeworth if he couldn't remember his past?
Sorry, pal. I'm kind of hyperventilating.
He does remember, and I'm going to prove it.
Hyperventilating. Still. I might need medical attention. December 28th, 10 a.m. District Court, courtroom number 2.
Number 3.
I was about to say 2 and then I realized this is not 2.
Court is now in session for the trial of Miles Edward. The defense is ready, Your Honor.
The prosecution is ready.
Right. Very well. We have reached the final day of our proceedings in this trial. I ask that the prosecution submit decisive evidence.
Understood.
Come on. Don't be awed into silence by every little thing he says. Very well, Mr. Von Karma. Your opening statement.
Don't push your luck. Right! Thanks to Detective Gumshoe's efforts, the boat rental shop caretaker has been arrested. That's a good dick. In yesterday's trial, the defense asserted that the caretaker was the murderer. However, the caretaker has yet to confirm this. I would like to ask the defense to cross-examine him as much as necessary. I've already eaten, so that's not going to be an issue.
Very well. Please bring the witness into the courtroom. Might I say, you have done a fantastic job as Von Karma. I'm just letting you know right now.
Thanks. Ladies and gentlemen of the court, I believe you all remember our witness. For those who were there earlier and not months ago. He lives in the boat rental shop on the lake, from where he witnessed the incident.
I don't know why. Like this Donnie said, he lives in the boat.
He lives in
Just
the boat.
in the boat, not in the shop.
I mean, he has a boat rental shop, but he sleeps in the boat.
He just sleeps in the boat.
In addition, he has currently lost memory of his name and identity, and he doesn't have any IDs, nor any DNA that we can identify him with.
Really? No ID whatsoever? Like, that's so dumb.
Plot convenience, I tell you.
Witness, why did you run away yesterday? Ooh.
The witness was not running away, as he will now testify.
I see. Very well. Please begin your testimony.
Hey.
Oh no.
It's me. Why I left court. I'm very sorry about just leaving yesterday like I did. But I wasn't running away or nothing. I went to buy some food for Policy. Some cranberries. I figured I got nothing to do with this incident anyhow. I mean, I will need one of those motive things, right? And I don't got one. So, my testimony yesterday stands as is.
You know what's so weird?
What?
That he could have just played the crazy card. Did he play that card? Because I know that, like, in a legitimate law or whatever, there are people that will say, you know, hey, I can't be put into trial court because of my mental capacity is not there.
I think, yeah, all things considered, we shall just let it play because it will come back to you.
I see. It's just something that I've just thought about.
You're thoughting about it because of this case and because you played this case before, and
maybe that's why.
It's gonna make sense in a few minutes.
All right. Very well. Let's begin the cross-examination, shall we? He has to know his name. Yanni Yogi. You're Yanni Yogi, and I'm going to prove it.
Smarter than an average bear.
All right. Here we go. What do I push? Oh, this one.
Wow, it's been that long.
I call what you did running away and not just leaving. You heard Larry's testimony and realized you were in danger.
Larry, whoa? No, Mr. Wright, there's no need to rush to conclusions. As I said, the witness was not running away, air quotes. Listen to the testimony.
He sure seems relaxed. In fact, they both do. Von Karma and Yanni Yogi.
Oh, Mary.
Then why did you leave? Oh my gosh, Karma, I hate you!
He's just about to say why. Is it so hard for you to just quietly listen when someone is talking?
If I sat quietly, Edgeworth would be guilty in 3 minutes!
2.5.
Food?
Well, Polly's a bit of a gourmet, you see. She only eats these high-quality burnt pellets from friends made out of cranberries. I'm not sure why I'm bringing cranberries. That's your joke that you stole from Game Grumps. They only have them in the big pet shop downtown.
But you weren't arrested until this morning. Why didn't you go back to the caretaker's shack?
Well... I kinda got lost, you see. The witness has trouble remembering things sometimes. When the police apprehended him, he was on his way back to the shack.
Yeah, right. Nice try, Von Karma. No one's going to believe that. I see. So he was lost. Please, Your Honor, come to your senses.
That's asking a little too much from Your Honor.
You've lost much of your memory, is that correct?
Yup. Seems like it.
Then how could you know that you didn't have anything to do with this incident? Or maybe you're lying about not having your memory, You know exactly who you are.
The witness has testified quite clearly that he has no memory of who he is. If you claim he's lying, then show the court proof.
Grr. How am I supposed to prove what's going on in that old codger's head? That's impossible.
I'm glad you've come to your senses, Mr. Wright. Very well, witness. Please continue.
How can you say you had no motive? I say you do. You had a grudge against Edgeworth and the victim, Robert Hammond. That's why you took revenge on them.
Please don't make me repeat myself, Mr. Wright. This witness has no memory of anything beyond several years ago.
Dang, really?
He can't hold a grudge. It's impossible.
I have to prove he's lying about his memory. Otherwise, it's going to be the same thing over and over until the trial ends. Oh, no! Might I say something, Mr. Wright? Yes. Yes, Your Honor? You've been saying the same thing now over and over. You've been calling the witness' memory of the past or lack thereof into question. But does this really have anything to do with the current case? Of course, Your Honor. The witness has said he has nothing to do with this case and no motive. Both of these statements are lies. Rabble, rabble, rabble. Order, Mr. Wright. There is a serious problem with your claim. Or are you saying you know who this witness is? Of course, Your Honor.
Ho 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 ho! Now this is interesting. I would like to know myself. So, who is he?
Don't play dumb, Von Karma. Mr. Wright, please tell us the witness's name.
Yanni Yogi.
His name is Yanni Yogi, a former court bailiff. Yogi? That name seems familiar. I am a rather old man. And I probably have many bailiffs in my life.
In fact, one of them gets killed every week.
Yanni Yogi, from the DL6 incident. I thought the judge would have heard it. It was such a famous case. But what does this mean? His eyes. Your Honor, if this man is Mr. Yogi, then he has a clear motive.
Jumping the conclusions again, Mr. Wright. This man, this witness, Is Yanni Yogi? Fascinating. However, how do you propose to prove this to the court?
Why does he not have an ID? Stupid.
I know, right?
He should not even be in court without that. How could this... this game. This game is stupid sometimes. Very, very, very stupid. Very, very stupid.
This is a court of law, as you may recall.
Court of
You need
dumb
proof.
is more like it. Court of stupidity is more like it.
And allow me to repeat once more that the witness has lost his memory.
This is it. I have to do this now. If I can't prove he's Yogi right here, right now, then I've got nowhere else to go.
Nick, how are you going to prove it? How can you prove that he's Yanni Yogi?
It's okay. It's actually quite simple. Your Honor, please take this man's fingerprints. Then we'll compare them to the fingerprints on file for Yanni Yogi 15 years ago. I see. That makes sense. Huh?
I'm so very, very sorry, Mr. Wright.
Why?
The witness has no fingerprints.
What? What? No fingerprints?
You see, before I worked as a caretaker and owner of the world-famous wet noodle, I worked at a chemical plant. I burned my fingers working with the stuff. Yep.
What? Yogi, you sneak. You burned your fingerprints off to hide your past.
Well, if the witness has no fingerprints, I guess we will not be able to prove his identity.
Can't we do blood DNA?
Yeah, apparently that does not exist in this world or something.
Yeah, he could do DNA.
Even though later on in later games they can clearly identify if blood belongs to the victim.
This is so stupid.
I know! This is plot convenience at its
God,
best!
what are you doing to me?
Shoot Takumi, what were you thinking?
No.
Well, what will you do, Mr. Wright? I know what I'll do. I'll take a sip of this water because right now... Oh yeah, this feels great.
Frick.
I need my water, okay? It seems that the case has been decided, no?
No! I know what happened. I know everything. I just can't prove it. But no, I can't let it end like this. I can't lose. There has to be another way.
There is no one you can testify. Oh, wait. Yeah, there is no one who can testify as to who this witness is. No one!
Nick, what are we going to do?
For a second, I thought I said there's no one you can testify. I was like, that makes no sense.
I didn't even consider that he might have erased his fingerprints. What do I do?
Well, Mr. Wright, perhaps you'd like to cross-examine the parrot for a little comic relief, hmm?
Yeah, very funny. You're a sore winner, Von Karma.
I do my best, because I'm
Wait
perfect.
a second. Cross-examine the parrot?
What is it, Nick? No, you're not going to.
Your Honor, the defense would like to take Mr. Von Karma up on his proposal.
Mr. Von Karma?
On my proposal?
Exactly, Your Honor. I would like to cross-examine the witness's pet parrot.
What?
Hold on. Well, what do you think, Mr. Von Karma?
Need you even ask? This is a farce! I object!
Wait a second. You were the one who suggested I cross-examine the parrot, Von Karma. I have a right to do as you suggest.